don't
Okay.
have
Video should be mandated.
Okay.
Why am I feeling that video is based on RWM?
Whoa! That's rude.
No, it's not.
I'm done.
Okay,
It's so different.
you've learned this percent proportion before, because I taught majority of you guys this percent proportion, so it's kind of like you can't argue that, hey, that crazy teacher never taught us that, because I was that crazy teacher. So you probably have seen this before, that is over of equals percent over 100. Especially with problems like this, it's easy to set this up. However, I know some of you guys are really good at finding a percent of a number because you basically just change it to a decimal and multiply. I'm going to tell you that that's fine to do that. I'm just going to show you in case you're not comfortable with kind of just the shortcut with that. So the percent is going to go over 100 per 100. And if I'm taking 6% of 200, I'm going to put that, the of is on the bottom, so 200 is going to go on the bottom. So I'm looking for what is that. So that's why it took us back to our warm-up question where we solved that proportion. Now this one's not terrible to solve if you are good with like just number sense. 100 doubled is 200, so 6 doubled would be 12. So if you realize that and we're able to kind of skip this over, it's perfectly fine. If you actually want to, solve it, it's 100x equals 1200. And then I divide by 100 and find out it's just 12. So then you're like, why did I spend time doing that? Okay. So like I said, I like setting these up just because I'm nervous that I'll get them wrong if I don't set them up correctly. But if you're able to kind of skip ahead, I'm okay with that, and you do them another way, that's fine, as long as it works for you. One like this, I would not be able to do this one off the top of my head, so I would actually cross multiply and set equals, so this one probably need a calculator for it. It wouldn't be as obvious to me, it'd be a little bit tougher. To multiply 1.2 by 100 or 1.8 by 180 or whatever that is, or 120, sorry, and I'm talking about correctly about what we're doing. So I get 100x equals 216. I divide by 100, and I get 2.16. And that makes sense because this should be a very small number. 1.8% of anything is probably going to be pretty small. And then finally, 210% of 82. I divide by 100, move that decimal over twice, and I get 172.2. We'll get more into percentages tomorrow, but yeah, that's why, sorry, yeah. So we'll get more into percentages tomorrow. So this is the only thing we're doing on the section 3.2. For everything else, it's just 3.1. Do you guys find it?
So yeah. So
let me, I can assign her some, she's a creative. Yeah. Or we could, I don't think she has an existing, unless she uses Google, it might be easier. All right, guys, so homework is listed. Oh, you need your homework.
Yeah.
No, it's optional.
It's not optional.
Yes, it is.
The video is
Big
made.
squilly. Not if there's bacon.
Big squilly.
What?
No, he tried saying anything. Very confusing.